Hello guys, welcome to my channel, where creativity meets artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of character creation with Kling AI. I'm Gabby, and I'm excited to share this powerful tool with you. Kling AI is revolutionizing the animation industry, allowing artists and creators to bring their characters to life with ease. But that's not all. It's also earning people big bucks through stunning animations. From commercials to video games, animations created with Kling AI are captivating audiences worldwide. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro to get started. Special shout out to Big Adams AI for inspiring us to explore the limitless possibilities of AI-powered animation. Your work is truly amazing. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to get a shout out in my next video. I will choose a random person from here, so do well to subscribe. In this video, it'll show you how to create incredible characters with Kling AI. From concept to completion, we'll cover it all. So, let's get started. First, let's dive into the basics of Kling AI's character creation tool. We'll explore the interface, discuss tips and tricks, and create a character from scratch. Next, you can use an image as a reference to guide the AI for a more accurate result. Here, you can choose the size of your image, and in the final section, specify how many images will be generated. Since this software gives you 66 daily credits, and images don't consume many credits, you can increase the number to have more choices. Now, press the Generate button. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can make changes to the prompt or provide a reference and try again. Let's move to the AI video section. You might wonder why we didn't start with text to video. It'll test it for you now, but generally, image to video has better accuracy and yields results closer to your desired outcome. In the first section, write your prompt and set the level of creativity or relevance. Note that using professional mode or creating videos longer than 5 seconds requires purchasing one of the paid plans. Apart from selecting image size and writing a negative prompt, which are always available, there's a special section for choosing the type of camera movement, which can significantly enhance your video. Now, press the Generate button. Although the initial result may not perfectly capture the Pixar style, refining the prompt can help you get closer to your desired output. Moving to the image to video section, import your image and add an optional prompt. The key elements here are specifying the subject and movement. The rest of the settings are similar to the text to video section. Finally, press the Generate button. While the videos are being generated, they'll create a few more by adding prompts. For image to video, you can use the 10-second option. AI-powered image and video generation offer unparalleled creative possibilities. With the steps outlined in this guide, you're equipped to harness the power of AI and bring your ideas to life. Start exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Ready to unlock more creative potential? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of AI enthusiasts and creators. Get access to exclusive content, tutorials, and updates on the latest AI innovation.